Hi guys, my name is Julia and welcome to my channel, a peaceful place in this sometimes overwhelming world. And in this video, we will keep going with our hair experiments. I've done a lot to my hair, but today is the bomb experiment. It's like something I've never expected to do myself, but here we go. Ba-bam! Making highlights using highlighting cap. Let's do it together in this video so you will know exactly if you have to go through all of this heavy attacks on your hair or it's not worth it, or maybe this is just like the best kept secret. I got this kit. I will leave a link down below to the store where I ordered it on Amazon, or you can just order separately the cap and use basically any bleacher. Now let's open the kit and see what they have inside for us. We have something where we can mix our coloring mixture instructions, which I never read. Who needs instructions? We know it all by ourselves. Oh my god, this super crazy world famous highlighting cap. Okay. It looks so funny. It looks like bonnet and we will be like, ooh, retro looking babies. And we have two hooks. Look at this, we have two hooks. One is bigger and one is smaller. And so you can mix. That's really cool. Next up, we have developer. We have, ooh, look at this. We have two pouches of highlighting powder, which is very convenient. So because if your hair is as short as mine, you probably need just one of them, the half. We have, which is really surprising, coloring toning rinse, protective cream, okay, and shampoo. And right now, before I will start doing this crazy experiment, I want to share with you my top 4 tips. Top tip number 1, before you put that cap on, make sure you part your hair the way you want to wear it. Top tip number 2, use the smallest hook you have. If you know crocheting, like take your own hook and use the smallest one, because if you don't want to have the zebra effect, although I love zebras, they look pretty cute in their stripes, but that's not my style. I don't want to have, like, you know, this very obvious zebra stripes. That's why I want to use the smallest hook and pull as less hair as possible, so your strand will be very, very thin. Tip number 3, when you will have all of your hair you want to color on top of your cap, don't start applying the mixture close to the roots. It doesn't look natural. If we want the sun-kissed highlights, we want to start a little bit lower, not from the roots. And tip number 4, put the dirtiest, worst clothes you ever have in your house, because if this thing will drop on your clothes, it will ruin it. So obviously you want to wear something you will not regret ruining. And tip number 5, don't be so obsessed with the result, you know. I always say, your hair is not your teeth. They will grow back. It will not ruin your life. It might ruin your day though, but it will not ruin your life. So take it easy, have fun with it, and guys, let's start the experiment. And there we go, guys. This is the final result. I really, really like it. As you can see, the effect is quite subtle. That is what I was going for. I took really thin strands, so they will kind of blend nicely. But yeah, overall, I would say I really, really like the kit. I also used the mixture to highlight a little bit the ends. But overall, I'm very happy with the results. And I think it looks amazing in the sun. That's why I went outside to show you the effect. It adds more dimension. So, yeah, there we go, guys. Let me know in the comments if you used something similar or how do you like the effect. Or maybe you have a different secret and tip how to make highlights. You use something different. Let me know in the comments. I'm very interesting. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and take care. I love you guys. Bye.